Before the learned court, what he is saying is that my father has gone a bypass surgery, so financial constraint is there. So that is the prayer that he has made before the court, learned court below.
Because the small child is there along with her.
My lord, may kindly see. Today I have filed an application. She is earning so much that she has gone for a Europe-Belgium trip after taking permission. So any quantum of maintenance should not be a punishment to. That is why we have come before this court. This is the petition wherein we have challenged the grant of interim maintenance on the ground of quantum and on the ground that the respondent herein has manipulated the affidavit and have suppressed the fact that she is earning income. A amount of 60,000 has been granted by the Honorable Learned Court below.
60,000?
60,000 on 1/10/2022, Annexure P1 is the order. 45,000 to the wife. 45,000 to the wife and 15,000 to the child. And on thereafter, when I disclose that she has suppressed her income and that she is earning her livelihood through certain means, she has stated that those accounts in which the amount is being, she has closed that, and that is also being falsified by the documents that we have filed. And it has been observed in the order passed by the learned court below that she is having certain accounts which she has not disclosed in the affidavit. I would just be taking my lord to the affidavit that she has filed. If my lord may kindly see the affidavit, and that is at page number 44, how she has manipulated so that she should not be able to disclose her income.
Which are that?
Page number 44. It starts from page number 44 and the relevant portion wherein she has manipulated with respect to the...
You are working, your income is through? Source of income?
Fleet engineer, my lord.
Chief?
Fleet engineer.
Field
I am
engineer.
fleet engineer in Indigo.
In which department?
In Indigo Airlines.
Indigo Airlines.
Aircraft maintenance engineer.
Aircraft. And I have stated in my affidavit that it is a bit staggering. The income is a bit staggering. I would just be first taking my lord to the, if my lord would kindly see the affidavit, page number 40.
Have you filed any application for alteration?
All these things have come in the order passed by the learned court.
In which page?
That starts from page number 16.
16.
Ji. The relevant portion starts from, my lord could see that from 3rd and 4th paragraph. आवेदिका के द्वारा ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट
की ओर से प्रस्तुत शपथ में उनके एमए करना और कोई कार्य नहीं करना, कोई वेतन प्राप्त नहीं करना बताया तथा पुत्र को हरसान सिंह उम्र करीब 10 माह को उस पर आश्रित होना, उन पुत्र पर प्रतिमाह 25,000 रुपये को देना।
सेकेंड पैरा से
स्वयं को माइग्रेन होने में बच्चे का वैक्सीनेशन होता है। अविद्या की ओर से पेश राम रतन इंटरनेशनल को ठाणे में दस्तावेज टीचर के रूप में देना।
आवेदिका के द्वारा ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट
31/3 तक कार्यरत रही, उसके बैंक खातों के विवरण में कोई कार्य करना प्रतीत नहीं होता है। अविद्या के द्वारा ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट पोशाक के विज्ञापन एवं मदर्स किचन से संबंधित फेसबुक के दस्तावेज के दिनांक 30 elite engineers के पास elite
My lord, the issue herein is not that at the time when the affidavit has to be filed, as per Rajneesh versus Neha, it is incumbent upon the deponent to disclose the fact because for
when the affidavit was filed.
I'm sorry?
When the affidavit was filed, what is the date of filing affidavit?
On 11th of April 2022.
11th April 2022.
2022. Now, my lord may see the affidavit, the manner in which she has filed the affidavit. Page number 46.
So, on the date of filing of the affidavit, what is the income?
She was earning, and she has stated, I have annexed the accounts of statement of certain bank.
That is part of the record of the trial court?
Yes, it has been observed in the order also.
2 months account has been observed by the family court.
If my lord may kindly appreciate, with the
June and
covering
July.
memo, I have filed certain order sheets. If my lord may kindly appreciate that. These are the documents which we have filed before the court also, at the time when the order has been passed. Covering memo has been filed on 12/12/2022. My lord could see that in the order sheet dated 25/7, it starts from 25/7 and page number 3 and 4 may kindly be seen. Of the covering memo that I have filed on 12/12/2022. This is apparent that I have filed all these documents before the court at the time when the quantum of interim maintenance has been adjudicated. My lord could see from Punascha, that is at page number 3. I am only reading the relevant portion.
Just a minute. Covering memo dated
12/12/2022.
12/12/2022. Just a minute.
In order to show
just a minute. What happened thereafter after?
My lord, it has not been taken into consideration.
No.
That is my grievance.
Almost 1 year have elapsed.
My
more
lord,
than 1 year. What is the status of the proceedings?
Interim order has been passed by this honorable court that I have to pay the amount.
What is the status of the proceeding?
It is pending. It is pending there.
Evidence is not started.
Evidence have been recorded and the matter is
recorded
pending.
Evidence of?
Of the prosecutrix. I'm sorry.
Applicant.
Of the applicant. I'm sorry.
And what about your evidence? What is the date proceedings?
My lord, there is a stay of the proceeding by this honorable court.
Why?
And
No, Manoj.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Why there will be stay of the proceedings?
On the ground that he would be paying the interim maintenance amount till the
Why this order has been obtained? You could have taken a stay on the award of the interim maintenance.
I'm just making my submission. At the time there was a mediation between the parties. It has been sent to mediation and certain.
It can be done. It could have been done before the trial court itself, family court itself. Why such an order could have been obtained by you?
On that particular date, both the parties agreed and said that we would be mediating the problem. There is a chances of reconciliation.
Your evidence is to be started now?
Yes, I think there are.
So it will be concluded within 1 or 2 dates?
My lord, if my
I will
lord is...
dispose of directing to conclude
My lord,
within
and
such
there
and
is
such
one,
time.
if a humble prayer, if my lord is sending the matter back for deciding the matter, for finally disposing of the matter, I would just be praying my this honorable court to observe this very fact that all the documents which I have submitted at the time when the interim maintenance was adjudicated, quantum of interim, that should be looked into, because if my lord may kindly see from the order sheet, despite observing that she has suppressed certain facts in her affidavit, nothing has been adjudicated. Page number 3 may kindly be seen.
Because till now you are paying.
Gee, I am paying till now. 60,000 every month I am paying. And it is certainly a punishment on
petition
the
could
part.
have been disposed of
Yes,
then and
it could
there.
be. I do
And
understand
the
that.
proceedings, maintenance proceeding could have decided much
I
earlier.
do understand, my lord. And for the last many times we are making urgent hearing. My lord has correctly assessed the situation and we are making urgent hearing, but it could not be listed. Had it been listed, we would have asked the court to dispose of the matter with the... There is only one humble submission.
I will observe that to consider in accordance with law, because it is your evidence is to start. You can mark the exhibit in accordance with law. All the documents. Even any documents is to be placed in record,
Yes,
or to mark
certainly.
exhibit, it is to be marked exhibit in accordance with law. The procedure is there.
Mark the, to just, my lord may just observe this very fact that to adjudicate the matter...
I will record your submission in that, to this effect.
That is what my submission is, that because despite we submitting the documents, the learned court is not appreciating the evidence. That is the reason why I am making my submission. जी ये order है, there is कि stay हो गई proceedings.
Miss Fozia Mirza and senior counsel along with Shri so for the applicant, Shri so for the respondent. This criminal revision is filed against the interim, against the order dated 1/10/2022 passed by Learned Family Court, Raipur, Durg, whereby...
No, sir, Raipur hai, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry. My apologies.
You are not ready to accept your change address.
It remains every time in the mind.
क्या लिखे? Family Court Durg. Whereby then Family Court allowed the application for grant of interim maintenance filed by the respondent wife and awarded total sum of rupees 60,000 per month, in brackets 45,000 for the respondent number 1 and 15,000 for respondent number 2, bracket close. Counsel for the applicant submits that though the merits of the proceeding under section 125 of Code of Criminal Procedure is yet to be considered by Learned Family Court. However, the grievance of the petitioner, applicant in this case, is that when the petitioner has submitted reply to the application for grant of interim maintenance and also the relevant supporting documents on his behalf at the time of consideration of application for interim maintenance, the said documents placed on record have not been considered in appropriate manner. She further submits that when the court put query to Land Council for the parties as to the stage of the proceedings under section 125, looking to the date of the order date in the interim application dated 1/10/2022, which is more than 1 year ago, Land Council for the applicant submitted that as per his information bar instructions, evidence of the applicant therein is already concluded and now the case is at the stage of recording of the evidence of...
नहीं, conclude नहीं हुआ.
Applicant का conclude नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं हुआ. किसी का complete
the
stay, there
evidence
is a
of
proceeding, stay of the proceeding by the order.
इनका रिकॉर्ड हो गया
नहीं
एप्लीकेंट
नहीं
का?
नहीं
हुआ है।
नहीं,
एप्लीकेंट का भी नहीं हुआ है?
नहीं हुआ, मैटर स्टे था इसलिए।
अच्छा, submits that the case is at the stage of the evidence of the parties. She further contended that pursuant to the interim order of stay passed by this court on 15/12/2022, the proceedings before the family court stands still, and the applicant, since the date of passing of the order for grant of interim maintenance, is continuously making payment of the amount of interim maintenance ordered by Land Family Court. Next, Land Council for the state for the respondent wife do not dispute the submission of counsel. मिल रहा है हर महीने पैसा?
नहीं मिल रहा, हर महीने एंटायर 60,000 नहीं मिल रहा है, कभी 15 कभी 20 ऐसे मिल रहा है, एंड इन दैट इफेक्ट शी हैज मूव्ड एन एप्लीकेशन
फॉर रिकवरी। कहाँ है?
दैट इज नॉट फाइल्ड, वो एफिडेविट के बाद मूव किया है।
What is your instructions, madam, in this?
My lord, I have instruction that on 19th of December 1,20,000 has been paid on
19th of December 2023.
जी जी, that what we have 2022 my lord।
22 1 lakh
1,20,000 पे किया था, 1,20,000 on 29th of January 2023 60,000 on thereafter on 28th February and 1st March 5,000 and 10,000 on 31st March 10,000 on 11th April 45,000 6th May he is paying in installments, what I could gauge that from 30,000 26th September 2023 30,000 and 45,000 on November.
Seek instructions, your party is here, applicant. Inform your counsel.
Sir, since 16 December,
Inform your counsel. She is there to argue on your behalf.
December 2022 till today, we have paid 4,90,000.
4,90,000 have been paid till 16th September 2020.
Out of?
December, since 16 December 2022 till today.
Yeah, since 16 December 2022 till today, 4,90,000 has been paid in total.
What is the actual due as per the order?
Actual?
What would be the due amount till today?
60 say it has to be calculated.
Approximately 7,80,000.
7,80,000 if that be the thing. कितना हो रहा है बताइए? कितना?
Around 4 lakhs.
टोटल 60,000.
60,000 में because हमें वो अक्टूबर से पे करने बोला था।
It has been directed as per the interim order from October, so he is paying from October.
Sir, actually,
October.
If we count from October 2022, my lords, it is 7,80,000 approximately. It would be more than that, but not less than that.
If interim order is seen, my lord, that if at all they would not be paying, then it would stand vacated. So had it been the case that they would not be paying, so it is subject to paying the amount. So 4,90,000. 60,000. My lord, though no proceedings have been initiated there.
But the fact remains.
4,90,000
Yes.
that they are staying.
But
My lord, despite
Learned senior
has there
counsel,
been no
Learned
stay?
senior counsel,
Ji.
once there is an order of this court, that is to be complied with. Once there is an order of this court,
Ji, ji, ji.
it is to be honored and complied with.
Certainly, my lord. That
If for
60,000
any
has
reason,
to be paid.
if for any reason there was some difficulty,
My lord,
then-
as certainly.
then the applicant could have approached the court assigning reasons.
If that, my lord, may pass the order, whatever my lord would direct, we would be, he is ready to comply that order. But had it been the case, if my lord may kindly see the order passed by this honorable
I will
court.
say to conclude within 3 months.
Within 3 months, huh?
Yes.
It has to be. My lord may kindly see the,
In
that is subject to maintenance. If my lord may see the order, if the proceeding would be stayed, it is, if it is subject to payment of. So the learned court below would have, if at all there would not have been compliance.
None of the parties brought to this note, brought to the note.
No,
specific.
that is what I am saying. Ji, my lord may kindly, what my submission is that there is, if at all there is no compliance exactly as per the order of this honorable court, my lord may direct that it should be decided within 3 months or within a stipulated time period, so that the whole interim quantum of maintenance may be decided, considering the documents. What we have stated is that she has not filed the, she has suppressed the point that she is able to maintain, and then 60,000 has been passed, and she has manipulated the affidavit.
This evidence on your behalf is yet to be placed
Yet
before
to be
the
placed.
family.
That is that my lord
you
has
can
already.
place all the material.
Ji, that is.
And the applicant cannot
No.
escape the order passed by any of the court.
Any of the court, never ever.
So he is required to comply with the order.
He has said before the learned court, what he is saying is that my father has gone a bypass surgery, so financial constraint is there. So that is the prayer that he has made before the court, learned court below.
Because the small child is there along with her.
My lord may kindly see, today I have filed an application. She is earning so much that she has gone for a Europe-Belgium trip after taking permission. So any quantum of maintenance should not be a punishment to. That is why we have come before this court. We have come before this court that she.
That is subsequent to the order passed by the family court. Therefore, I asked you whether you have filed any application under 127 for alteration.
No, we have not filed.
That is all the plea or the material which is available before this court as of now is the subsequent to the application filed.
My lord, what my submission may be seen. What we have come before this honorable court is that despite we submitting all the documents and saying that she has suppressed in the affidavit the earning capacity, which is very much essential as per Rajneesh versus Neha, a quantum of 60,000 has been granted to her without taking into consideration. This is what I have submitted, that the court has not looked into, and even after observing in the application.
You may have cross-examined her.
No, that has not started. The stage has not started.
No, not started. You may examine her, cross-examine her on that issue.
My lord, that is why my prayer was that the court should look into the documents, if my lord could consider that.
That stage is yet to come, na? अभी तो निकला नहीं वो स्टेज कि आपने बोला कि वो कंसीडर ही नहीं किया है.
60,000 every month has to be given, and when my amount of income is only 1 lakh, sometimes 60,000, 70,000. I am living in Bombay. The cost of maintenance in a metropolitan city, and that is the reason why in Rajneesh versus.
Had it been a case, this case have come before this court within 2 or 3 months.
Yes, that is. My lord, we made a lot of mention before the court, but somehow it could not be listed after the stay passed by, and after our reconciliation proceedings.
Looking to the lapse of time of more than 1 year, it hardly matters if it is.
I do understand that. I do, and that is the reason why I was not saying to what my lord was anything what my lord was suggesting, because the time has lapsed a lot. A lot many months have been passed.
Summits. That as per order passed by this court, as per order interim maintenance, as per the award of interim maintenance ordered by the family court, the applicant is not regularly paying the amount ordered. He submits that this petition can be disposed of, directing the family court to conclude or bar decide the proceedings under section 125 within specified time. Next. At this stage, counsel for the applicant submits that the applicant is making all the endeavor to comply with the order passed by the family court of making payment of the interim maintenance. However, after passing of the order, father of the applicant has to undergo bypass surgery, which affected the financial condition of the applicant. However, even then he is making payments I have heard counsel for the parties. The order granting interim maintenance is dated so and so 1/10/2022. From the date of passing of the order, almost
5 lakhs.
more 1 year and 5 months, 1 year and 3 months have already lapsed in the aforementioned facts of the case. I've, instead of interfering, I do not find it appropriate to interfere with the interim order of granting interim maintenance passed by Leonard Ford Family Court. However, taking into consideration the facts and circumstances of the case, the stage of proceedings, the revision petition is disposed of at this stage, directing the Leonard Family Court to make all its endeavor to conclude the proceedings under section 125 expeditiously, preferably within a period of 3 months from the next date of hearing. Parties are directed to cooperate with the proceedings before the family court, in the proceedings before the family court. It is expected from the Leonard court below that that part I have recorded in your submission that documents have not been considered.
That was only my prayer before this honorable court that the documents, everything has to be
that
considered.
stage has not yet come. That even any of the document could have been ignored and proceeded further.
I do understand.
Yes.
Obliged, man.
I'm grateful.